everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening. If your Chrome won't launch, keeps crashing, or doesn't respond when you click it, don't worry, this is a common issue and I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. So method 1 is to restart your computer. So sometimes Chrome fails to open due to temporary system glitches, or a quick restart can fix it instantly. So to do that, click on the start button. Tap on the power button and tap on restart right here and see if that fixes your problem. Now method 2 is to end Chrome processes. So Chrome might already be running in the background. So to do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or escape and it will open the task manager. Now look for Google Chrome. Once you found it, for example, assuming this is Google Chrome, select on it, right click and click on End Task. Then try opening Chrome again and see if it works. Method 3 is to clear cache files. So corrupted files can stop Chrome from opening. So to do that, let's do this manually. So press Windows plus R. Now once you do that, just type this, press enter. Now find the folder named default. Then once you found it, rename it to default.old. Then reopen Chrome, reload the page, and see if it works. So method 4 is to disable extensions. To do that, click on the three dots at the right side and tap on extensions. Next, tap on manage extensions and disable extensions that might be causing the issue. Now, method 5 is to reinstall Google Chrome. So if nothing works, uninstall Chrome, download the latest version from Google Chrome, and reinstall it back again. So this fixes most major issues. And lastly is to update Windows. So outdated system files can cause compatibility issues. So what you can do is to go to Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Now, if Chrome still won't open, try using another browser temporarily while you troubleshoot or reinstall. And that's basically it. That's how you can fix Google Chrome not opening on your PC. Thanks for watching.